What's up, guys? I'm super pumped. I'm here in Miami for the Hood Summit. This is the conference that you're going to want to be at if you are a Robinhood shareholder, because right here, they're announcing a brand new desktop version product. And the thing I love about going to conferences like this is you get the inside scoop. Like, for instance, I just was down in the lobby. They're not even open yet, but I saw CNBC setting up. So I go over to the production guy and I'm like, hey, are you guys going to be doing an interview with Vlad? Vlad is the CEO of Robinhood. He's like, yeah. I'm like, oh, really? When? He's like, tomorrow around 8:40 on Squawk on the Street. So knowledge is everything. I'm going to share with you a story about a opportunity that I had with a guy in a hot tub. That sounds so crazy, but I'm going to share that with you. And then we're going to go through this grab bag that Robinhood just gave me. By the way, shout out to them. They sent me to this conference, all expenses paid. It means the world. I've never gotten a paycheck from them, nothing. I'm just a trader. And they say I'm one of their VIP traders on their platform. I do have a lot of money and I've made a lot of money on their platform, but I've complained about the desktop version. It needs to be fixed. Tonight's that night. And I'm super excited to be one of the first to demo that. So definitely subscribe, like if you're interested in this. So I was in the hot tub with a guy that got asked to be the CFO of Tesla early days. And he actually turned it down. He said, Elon, I don't see how this is going to work. Now, this is a true story. The guy showed me who he was. I can't give his name out, but he turned down the job. Obviously, he would have made billions of dollars. But he's done okay. He told me about another business that he's launched in St. Petersburg. This was last year. But he told me something. He said, Jonathan, what I want to encourage you to do to take your trading to the next level is attend the events of companies, get the inside scoop as to their new products, meet with the employees, find the coffee shops they hang out with. And so this is an example of me applying that. I believe that Hood, ticker symbol Hood, is early days. I think a lot of millennials, Gen Z, whatever, when they think of investing and buying options or buying some crypto or buying Tesla stock, they think about Robinhood. And actually, if you listen to the last earnings call with Vlad, he talked about the increase in options volume, and how they're already in before, like they're going to do their third quarter earnings report. I have a feeling they're going to crush it. I have a feeling tomorrow isn't just a buy the rumor, sell the news type event. I think they're going to really show that they're not just some like, yeah, we're the cool kids on the street, that they actually aren't just an inch deep. They're a mile deep and they're only an inch wide. They have so much opportunity for growth. I just saw them start marketing. You see the commercial, the guy is on the yacht. So they and then the other thing too is that Robinhood Gold credit card, which I have. I actually just left it at home, but it's 3% cash back on everything. It's amazing. So we're gonna go through this grab bag, and yeah, I'm really excited for the product launch. Vlad speaks tonight. I'm gonna be there early, mingle, get to know people. If you watch this video, please let me know. I'd love to meet you. All right, so I registered, I got my name tag, and then right here is a special little ticker symbol, and they said it was for a giveaway. So I'm interested in that. But let's open up the grad bag. I have not looked down here, so we're gonna do this live. Okay, deal maker, become a deal scout, or I don't know what that is. What? Look at this. Market cap. Get it? Market cap? Ah, ha, ha. Funny, funny. That's cool. I got a new hat. Characteristics and risk for options. Yeah, like, you know how like everyone's sports betting? Honestly, I think Robinhood is an example of options betting for a lot of these people. And sports betting is doing really, really well. I think Robinhood is going to we see a party in your future. What? Let's open this up. What is going on? Come on, open it up. It's stuck. It's stuck. Hood Summit Future Legends Party. You're invited to Robinhood's Future Legends Party, sponsored by SIBO, for an evening of food, drinks, and live music at Miami's. And then they name the spot. So that's tomorrow. That sounds awesome. I'll definitely be there. This is really nice. Really nice. Place to take notes. I love little booklets like this. I don't want any outlines, just blank pages. Love that. Sometimes writing things down is the best way to like remember things. Okay. Got a t-shirt. Let's check out this shirt. I gotta wear this shirt. Let's just say Robinhood since 2013. And then the back is cool. And notice they're changing their color. They're changing it to like that yellow that you see on brand new Chevy Z06s. It's pretty cool. Eye-catching. Definitely different from all the rest. Oh, this is cool. Nice liquid asset. See what it says, liquid asset? Wow, these stock jokes are incredible. I love it though. Uh, it's the only time this is gonna smell good, right? But very nice. So this is probably like $100 worth of stuff plus the party. I mean, Robinhood is not sparing any expense. Liquid IV, these guys sponsor every event. And then life is better with options. This is some what do you call that? Stuff you put on your skin to not get sunburn, suntan lotion, and then a pen. Very nice Robinhood pen. So there we go. So follow along. I'll give you guys an update video, like, subscribe, and we'll keep you updated on Hood Summit as well as the stock. Um, I typically have done crypto trading, but now primarily I'm doing stocks and options trading. Not crazy options. Instead of buying options, I do a lot of selling of options. I do selling secured, cash secured puts, covered calls, and things like that. And so far, so good on Hood. All-time high, I think today, $27. Are you guys buying more? Should I sell before the conference or should I buy before Vlad goes live on CNBC and says, this company, it's early. It's early. It's early. I'm excited. All right. See you guys in the next one. Peace.